Take a deep breath in, and slowly let it out. Feel your shoulders relax as you breathe out. Let your hands rest softly by your sides or in your lap. Close your eyes or keep them softly focused on one spot in front of you. Now let's imagine a small golden light. It's glowing just above your head, warm and gentle. This golden light is here to help you feel calm and safe. As you take another deep breath in, imagine this light starting to grow brighter. As you exhale, let all the worries or tension of your day fade away. There's nothing to do right now except to listen, to breathe, and to just be. Let's begin. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air as it moves in and out of your nose. Notice how your chest rises and falls gently. With each breath, imagine the golden light filling your body with calm and warmth. Now let's focus on our toes. Wiggle them a little and then let them rest. Feel the golden light reach your toes, making them soft and relaxed. As you breathe in, imagine this light moving up to your feet and ankles. Feel them get heavy and peaceful. Take another deep breath in and out. The light moves up your legs now, calming your knees, your thighs. Your whole lower body feels at ease. Pause here for a moment. Just breathe. Feel the stillness. Now let the light travel up to your belly, gently warming it. Feel your belly rise and fall with your breath, like waves on a peaceful beach. Take another deep breath, and this time imagine the light wrapping around your chest. Your heart feels soft and open, and your breaths feel lighter and easier. Pause again. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heart. The light moves to your shoulders now, melting away any tightness. It flows down your arms all the way to your fingertips. Take another deep breath in and out. Feel the golden light moving up to your neck, your jaw, and all the way to the top of your head. Your whole body is relaxed, warm, and calm. Take one more deep breath. Let yourself fully enjoy this feeling of peace. Now let's imagine a beautiful garden. You're standing at the center of it, surrounded by soft grass, colorful flowers, and tall, leafy trees. The sun is shining gently, and the air smells fresh and sweet. Take a moment to look around. What do you see? Maybe there are butterflies flying nearby, or a stream flowing softly in the distance. In this garden, everything feels safe and happy. Now imagine that in the middle of the garden a small seed is planted. This seed is special. It's your dream, your bright future waiting to grow. Take another deep breath and imagine yourself watering this seed with kindness and care. See it start to sprout, growing stronger and taller with each breath you take. What does your dream look like as it grows? Maybe it's a big tree with strong branches, or maybe it's a flower full of bright colors. Pause for a moment to admire what you've created. Know that just like this seed, you have everything inside you to grow into something amazing. Take one more deep breath and smile softly. Slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the ground beneath you steady and strong. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how calm and relaxed you feel. Thank yourself for taking this time to rest and recharge. Carry this calm feeling with you into your day, and remember, you can always come back to this space whenever you need.